Hello guys, and welcome to Rookie Reviews, where we talk all things tech. In this video, we're going to be looking at the best app for editing your videos on your Android smartphone in 2022. And the name of this app is inshot. I'll be leaving links in the description below if you're interested in downloading it. Now with this app, you can edit both videos and photos and make collages, but in this video we're going to be focusing on the video editing capabilities only. So to edit a video, what you do is click on the video icon and then click on new. You select the video or videos that you want to edit. You also have the option to preview and pre-cut the videos before you select them. After that, it takes you to this page where you can do things like change the aspect ratio, add some music, some effects, and also record audio in-app. You can also add stickers, effects, crop your video, change the speed, and many more. I'll be leaving links in the description below if you're interested, so you can check the app out. And fun fact, this very video was made using inshot. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video or found it informative in any ways. Thank you, it's Rookie signing out.